welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these lashes right here. They are by this brand right there. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Now these are going to be a little more bold than I usually do, but sometimes I like a little bold, especially when I'm not like really dressed up. So you can see they're already kind of pre-cut out to where they'd fit your eyes. So I'm going to lay them out the way they go. You just grab underneath them and then pull. I'm going to get the glue. So you're going to grab this and we're going to go just focusing on the base of my lash. Then you're just going to grab them and you're going to go from underneath and just place it like that. And you can see like what a major difference that makes. This is before, this is after, and then you'll go through and just kind of pinch the lashes onto your natural lashes to really make sure they stay. Okay, and that's what it looks like from on top. See, when you look down, that's from the side. And you can see it's kind of slightly sticking. And when it does that, you just go around the other side. You get the seal. And you just put it wherever it is sticking. And then it'll keep it from sticking. Just like that. So let me go ahead. I'm going to apply this eye off camera. And then I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, and that is what it looks like completed. As you can see. It's a major difference. Now I know that this is like really dramatic, a lot more dramatic than most people would wear. I actually like wearing lashes like this. Like I don't wear them all the time, but sometimes like when I'm just wanting to feel a little extra, I do like wearing these. They just look so pretty. It looks like I got a really thick set of lash extensions, and you can take them off if you don't like them. You just use the remover, which is like an oil-based remover, and it takes them off without any issues. It's a lot better for your lashes and lash extensions, and you can trade them out. Like if you put this set on, it's not permanent. You don't have to keep them on. You can easily take them off and then just try something new. But yeah, that completes the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.